Welcome students. In this video you are going to learn how to download Adobe Scan and use it for your upcoming examination. So first open Play Store or App Store from your mobile phone. In the search bar type Adobe Scan and hit the search button. From the list displayed, select Adobe Scan PDF Scanner and click the install button. Wait for it to be installed. It may take some time. Then open Adobe Scan. It will ask you to sign in for the first time. There will be three options: sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook and sign in with Apple. Select sign in with Google. It will display the mail ID which is used in the Play Store. Click on the mail ID and you will be able to sign in. Next, click on the let's go, click on allow. Then place your document on a flat surface and hold your phone above your document. Then tap the screen once when you are ready. Then the app will automatically select your document and it will scan your document automatically. Okay, it's done. Then you can readjust the corners, the portion of your document which you want to keep in the PDF, just by dragging it with your fingers like this and then click continue button. You can repeat this process for the next pages of your document like this, just holding it steady just above your document and just readjust the corners like this, then click on continue. After that, to save your document, just click on the document minimized here. This is your document. Before saving your documents, it's very important to rename your document. You have to rename your document with your name, class, section, roll number and the branch name. How to rename your document? Just click on this pen or pencil icon here like this and you will be able to rename. Just click it here once, then remove what is written here, then write your name, then class, then section, then roll number and the branch name. Then click on the rename button to rename your document. As you can see, your document is renamed now with your name, class, section, roll number and branch. Here I have written name, class, section, roll and branch. You will write your own name, your class, your section, your roll number and your branch name, Panihati Aruya. It is very important to rename your document like this, otherwise your PDF will not be recognized when you will be sending after your examination. So after renaming your document, you have to save your document. To save your document, just click on this save PDF option. Your document will be saved. As you can see, the document is being saved. Okay, after saving the document, just see that there is a share option beside your document. Just click on that share option and the first option is share link. Just click on that share link to see a list of apps where you can share the link. From that list of apps, select Gmail. Here in this to field, write the mail ID which will be provided to you for your examination purpose. Here I am writing one mail. And here in the subject line of the mail also you will remove the subject name here and you will type your own name, class, section, roll number and branch. Again I am repeating, this is very important to write these details. Then just click on this send icon to send your mail to the mail ID, and your examination paper will be sent. So this is how we make PDF using the Adobe Scan app, and we can send our examination paper to the school. I hope there will be no queries anymore. Thank you.